Prompt engineering isn't just a trend, it's the superpower that can make or break your AI projects. Whether you're writing code, debugging, or looking for that perfect algorithm, knowing the right prompt can save you hours of trial and error. In this video, I'm going to reveal 10 game-changing AI prompts that every developer must have in their toolkit. These are real-world examples you can copy, tweak, and use to solve your coding problems, brainstorm ideas, or even learn new concepts faster than ever before. Ready? Let's jump in. Prompt 1. Explain it to me like I'm 5. When tackling a new technology or complex concept, ask the AI, "Explain your topic as if I'm 5 years old." This breaks down difficult concepts into simple terms, making them easier to grasp, and it's a great way to kickstart your learning. Prompt 2. Generate boilerplate code. Got a new project? Prompt. Generate a complete boilerplate setup for a Node.js Express API with MongoDB. Include comments so I understand each part. This will give you a working starting point in seconds, saving hours of setup and Googling. Prompt 3. Debug my error message. Stuck on a stubborn bug? Here's my error message and code snippet. Explain what might be wrong and suggest a fix. This is like having a senior developer at your fingertips, helping you troubleshoot faster. Prompt 4. Suggest algorithm improvements. Want to optimize your code? Prompt. Here's my function for sorting a list. Suggest a more efficient algorithm or improvement. This turns AI into your personal code reviewer, spotting inefficiencies and proposing elegant solutions. Prompt 5. Write tests for me. Write unit tests for the following function/class using Jest, Mocha, PyTest. Include edge cases. Stop writing tests manually. Let AI help you quickly produce thorough tests and improve your coverage. Prompt 6. Explain error logs. Prompt. I received this error log, paste log. Explain what this means in plain language and suggest next steps. Great for deciphering cryptic logs so you don't waste time searching endlessly for solutions. Prompt 7. Turn docs into actionable steps. Read this documentation excerpt and turn it into step-by-step instructions I can follow. Save time by transforming long docs into a simple checklist of actions. Prompt 8. Find security flaws. Analyze this code for any security vulnerabilities and recommend improvements. Whether it's SQL injection or cross-site scripting, let AI help you catch security issues before they go live. Prompt 9. Convert one language to another. Translate this Python code into Python code, JavaScript, Rust, while keeping the logic the same. Quickly jump between languages without missing a beat. AI does the grunt work. Prompt 10. Brainstorm features and roadmaps. Prompt. I'm building a web app for booking appointments. Suggest new features, architecture improvements, and a roadmap for version 2.0. Stop staring at a blank screen. AI can spark new ideas and help you plan your next big release. And there you have it, 10 essential AI prompts every developer must master to supercharge your coding life. Keep these prompts handy, tweak them for your workflow, and let AI help you work faster and smarter. If you learned something new, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment your favorite prompt or one you'd add to this list. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.